So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Farm Craze here on Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up, go to the bottom left between surveys and home, press on games, and then press on the blue get started button. Once it redirects you to this screen right here, we want to go ahead and search for the game Farm Craze. So because it might not show up for you guys right here on the main screen, where it says sort by most popular, then go to A to Z, and we're looking for F's right here because we're looking for Farm Craze. So if I were to scroll down, we're on G right here. We just missed it, Farm Craze, just like that. Go ahead and select it. Once that is done, if I were to scroll down right here to install the game, if you make any purchase, you can earn 110 swag bucks. If you reach level 20, you earn 4 swag bucks. And basically, the further you progress through the game, the more and more swag bucks you can accumulate. And once you accumulate enough swag bucks to cash that in for a gift card, that's how you guys can earn real money just by playing this game, downloading this game, and playing Farm Craze. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to make real money by playing Farm Craze on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.